Hello and welcome to another video. Build-A-Bear Workshop has demonstrated remarkable growth with its stock up approximately 40% since the start of the year. Over the past year, BBW's stock has soared by more than 75%. Typically, such a significant rise might indicate the opportunity has passed, but this might not be true for BBW. Despite the impressive rally, Build-A-Bear Workshop remains attractively valued. The stock's P/E ratio is just 7.99, which is significantly lower than the market average of 31.54 and the retail industry average of 37.98. Moreover, the stock's PEG ratio of just 0.04 indicates that it may be significantly undervalued, and I think it has a strong growth potential. Now, BBW's online sales, a rapidly expanding segment in the retail industry, have tripled since 2018. The company currently operates approximately 535 stores and plans to open an additional 50 by the end of 2024. This expansion is supported by a solid performance record with earning beats for 3 consecutive quarters and a minor miss of 2.9% in the previous quarter. The company's earning growth rate of 268.3% per year is 13 times faster than both the wider market and the industry. This exceptional growth, coupled with unique product offering, a healthy balance sheet, and a debt management, positions Build-A-Bear Workshop for continued success. Looking ahead, I think BB is shining quite bright. The company has consistently delivered impressive results and shows no sign of major obstacle that could delay its growth trajectory. You should know that Build-A-Bear's next earnings release is scheduled for May 30th, which could provide further insights into the company's financial health and growth prospects. I hope you liked this video, and if you do have any questions, do let me know in the comments below.